How to make Gemini man fall in love with Gemini woman. When a Gemini man meets a Gemini woman, sparks can fly instantly. They both share curiosity, wit, and a love for variety. But keeping a Gemini man's heart takes more than shared traits. It requires emotional connection, mental stimulation, and trust. Get a man hooked on you. Discover what men secretly want and become his secret obsession. Click the link below in the description to learn more. Here's how to make a Gemini man fall in love with a Gemini woman. 1. Keep conversations lively. He loves talking. Match his energy with clever ideas, funny stories, and interesting topics. 2. Show your many sides. Let him see all versions of you: fun, deep, adventurous, and thoughtful. He loves variety. 3. Be spontaneous. Surprise him. Plan random dates, try something new, or take an unplanned trip. He enjoys unpredictability. 4. Give him space. Gemini men value freedom. Trust him and don't crowd him. He'll respect you more for it. 5. Make him laugh. He connects through humor. Joke, laugh, and keep things light when needed. 6. Be confident in who you are. Don't copy him. Be your unique self. He'll fall for your independence and strength. 7. Share adventures together. Create memories. From concerts to travel, he bonds through shared experiences. 8. Show emotion gently. He hides feelings behind jokes. Be open, but don't push him too hard emotionally. 9. Challenge him smartly. Debate and discuss with charm. He enjoys a good mental challenge. 10. Keep growing. Stay curious and evolving. A growing woman keeps a Gemini man captivated for life. Wondering how to make a Gemini man fall in love with a Gemini woman? Be fun, honest, and full of life. Love between two Geminis can be electric. Just keep it exciting, real, and ever-changing. Do you want to get him chasing you like crazy? Discover what men secretly want and make him want you forever. Click the link below in the description to learn more. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment and share this video.